Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my luxury shower routine, and this is what I do when I have time when the kids are sleeping, because you guys didn't know I'm a mom of two and I don't get these days very often, so I like to do what I need to do. If you guys want a shorter mom version, real life one, comment in the comment section. I'll definitely do it for you guys, but this is my long luxury one. So the first thing I go in with is my Nair outside of the shower, and this is what I use. I like to apply it upwards and then downwards and make sure the area is well covered. I like to go against the grain and towards the grain so that all the hair is gone, both underneath my arms and on my legs. So while I wait for my Nair to actually soak in so I can get rid of my hair, I like to put on my music, and while I'm dancing to my music, I like to use this tool from the dollar store to take off the hair from my upper lip area and also from the bottom of my chin area. I find that when I use this tool, my hair doesn't grow back as thick and as quickly, and this is my preferred method. So I get a wet rag and I like to go in a upward motion first and then a downward motion. So against the grain of how my hair grows and then towards the grain of how my hair grows, and I find that I get rid of most of my hair like that. This is a African netting sponge and my Dial antibacterial soap, and the African netting sponge is a great exfoliator. The African netting sponge actually dries faster than a typical sponge, and it prevents the accumulation and breeding of bacteria. It's cut long enough to clean every part of the body, including the back. It improves blood circulation and can be used up to 2 years without any damage. All you have to do is throw it in the washer. This is my Tree Hut body scrub, and this is a physical exfoliating body scrub which removes dull skin, dry skin to reveal glowy soft skin. It deeply nourishes and balances the skin, hydrates the skin to help restore the skin natural glow, and I love using this on my overall body parts. So this is the exfoliant that I love to use underneath my arm and my bikini area. It is the Skin Fix. It's a double duty body peel with glycolic and lactic acid to visibly polish, refine, and brighten skin. It helps with dark spot and uneven skin tone, which is why I love to use it underneath my arm and also my bikini area. This is my feminine wash. I use it to wash my private parts. You guys know how to wash your private parts. And yes, I know that the vagina is a self-cleaning agent and it cleans itself, but this just makes me feel extra clean. Then I like to go in with a body conditioner. This is actually a body wash and it's from a black owned brand, Sweet Cookie Wash, and it actually moisturizes the skin really good. The benefits is moisturizing, soothing, it reduces inflammation, it's an antibacterial, it softens skin. One thing I hate with body washes is that it makes my skin feel like I put on a whole bunch of lotion and it can't be washed off. So this is why I use this one. So before I go into the shower, I always like to put my V steam with my herbs and stuff already in the toilet to cool down. And by the time I get out the shower, it's cool enough so I can sit on there and do its thing. I sit on here for 15 minutes. But if you guys want an in-depth video, I will definitely link the one that I did for you guys in the cue cards above. So this is my Oral-B electric toothbrush, which I've fallen in love with and I love dearly. I use my regular Colgate toothpaste with baking soda, and that is just my medicated toothpaste that my doctor gave to me, or I bought from my dentist, I should say. I like to brush my teeth, floss, and then use some mouthwash, and that is my mouth routine basically. So this is the Fenty Skin Body Butter, and if you don't like really moisturized, glistening, wet skin, this is not for you. But This keeps your skin super moisturized, and I love it, especially in the summertime. If I'm not using this, I'm using my Lulu's Holistic Body Butter, especially during the winter time because that's more oil based. But that is the end of my skincare routine. Tell me, what other videos would you guys like to see? Would you guys like to see a skincare for like face? And would you like to see a realistic routine as far as is concerned? Because I have kids and I can't do this all the time. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.